It's time for a 2 p.m. adventure, and today we're off to the Harry Potter tour in London. Now, I'm going to do this slightly different. I'm going to have an intro first with no speaking, so you can enjoy. So here we have the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, The Making of Harry Potter. This is located in Leavesden, which is near Watford in North London. The location of the Harry Potter tour itself is also where they made the Harry Potter films. What I will add is these clips are not in order of the tour, because there is so much to do and look at there that I've decided to split them up and just kind of like clump ones together that I thought would go well together. But I will add the first room you go into is the Great Hall, and that's the exciting one. That's all I'm going to say on that. So the tour itself covers quite a few things about the Harry Potter series, like including the sets, the props, the costumes, the special effects, the art department, the creature effects. So the studio props you see are things they used in the actual movie. If you are enjoying any of this content, please make sure you are subscribed, because I want to go to more places and I want to show you them. Also, give me some ideas for places to go to so I can show you them. I'd say the tour itself probably takes about 2 to 3 hours, depending on how fast you walk and how much things you want to look at. There is quite a lot to do there, because it covers like all the Harry Potter movies, so it's literally from start to finish. There is definitely a few things to learn about the Harry Potter series. One of my favorite things in the tour itself will have to be the dragon. It's quite interesting because the Gringotts Bank that they use, there is another set they've built which is like all the nice one, and it's like the proper filming one. But then they've also made another set for the destruction when the dragon goes through the bank, which I thought was pretty cool that they rebuilt it, another complete set just for your viewing pleasure. Thank you very much for watching. This has been a 2 p.m. adventure, and you can do them too. Goodbye for now.